Hello everyone, this is Own IoT. In this video, I will tell you how to use our relay controller connect to your own cloud server. This time we will use this input point. This input point is for digital input sensor. So you can create the website on your mobile phone so that you can see the input state remotely. Like this. This is a door sensor. If I open the door, you can see it will be turn red. This is channel 1 input, and I also use the 4G. This is 4G for remote, and if I close the door, just close the door, so you can see the input point will recover to green. So last video we have seen this yellow is output, relay output, and this time is the input. And you can use this video and use this node red follows on any other our relay controller, just old version or new version, all is support for this solution. So let's begin to see how it works. Okay, let's look at this is node red follows we have created. Last time we have created the 32B follows, that is for 32B relay controller. But also you can use it for 13 channel or 8 channel or 4 channel or 2 channel. This is the last video we have created, but at this time we have added this follows. Just this follows is for input state. And also we have added this command. We have uploaded the follows on our form. At this topic, you can see this is our add the input point monitor function. You can download these files. When you download these files, you can use import function like this. Just choose a file. Just choose this file and to open and import. Okay, before you use, also you can set your controller. Any controller, you just set the work mode to TCP Client, and this is our server's IP, public IP, and this is the port. So just connect to your own cloud server IP and the port. This port is 6000. Must as seen as this point. Double click. This is TCP in, listening at this part. So the node red will listening at this part for your relay board. And how to get the input state, we need to see our protocol. You can see this is our protocol. In the development, you can see the SDK and the API document. You found these three. This is read input state. Just this sentence you can send to controller, and the controller will feedback this command. And the X, this byte X is the state, and we will see how to define. If your controller has this is 8 channel, if the 32 channel is 6 input point, like this, if you import for this input 1, and you will receive this decimal number. This decimal number will convert to the binary. This is bit 1, just input 1, input 2, and input 3, and input 4, and input 5, and input 6. If you use by 32 channel, 6 input. And this 0 means triggered. This is short for input 1 is 0. If not short, not triggered, that means is 1. 1 is not triggered. So we just receive. So we just receive this X. We can decode this X means. So we will know which is triggered and which is not triggered. So let's look at the node red. The node red, we need to send this command. This command we have seen is to search the input state. We have set the interval time. I have set the 2 seconds. You can set to 1 second or other seconds just according to you. So this is always send the controller this search command. And when you received, the command is received, you can use a switch to judgment, because when input is triggered, we will send an alarm message firstly, and you can get the input state. So this will every time triggered will send 3 times, and will never send again, just only 3 times. And this is for the state. So we will use this await too. At this, we just set to 0, and to control the LD. This LD means this LD, the 6th LD indicate. And this function, that means get the substring and decode and convert to the binary from the decimal code. So I think if you think it's harder to understand, we can make an experiment. Now we have placed the debugger window. We can choose this debugger and clear. We can deploy. Last video we have created we can turn on, turn off the relay. This is turn on, turn off the relay. This is the feedback. You can see every 10 seconds we have sent this command. We have sent this command. This is feedback. This is 255. Now we can receive the 255 for the input point. So we can use the calculate, the Windows calculate. We can, the decimal code is 255. So we can see the binary. This is the binary is 0000 0000. So that means all is not triggered. And now we can trigger. And this is the door sensor. I have removed this this part. Just means the door is open, like this. Remove. So you can see the mobile phone, the LED is red, and on computer is also red. You can see the number is changed. Now the state number is 254. We can use this calculate. Also use decimal 254. So you can change to the binary is this number, just this. You can see the first bit is changed to 0. This 0 means this is red, is for triggered. So other is not triggered. It also is 0. So now we can short for import 2. Just this. Okay. You can see the number is also changed. Now this is 252. This is the red. Okay, we can see the 252. Just use the calculate again. Decimal 252. Then you can see the binary is this 2 is 0. So that means this 2-bit is 0. This means 0 0. 0 0. Okay, so just the input state is decode for this number is okay. So it's very easy, and this time you can remote see the state of the input point of the relay controller, and also you can see in the mobile phone. You can see when I close the door, when I open the door. This is every 10 seconds to detect. And also you can open relay. This open 3 relay. This is relay indicate, and 4 relay. And open the door and close the door. Okay, this is how to remote monitor the input state. Thanks for watching.